Hi everybody, welcome back to another unboxing, this time courtesy of Thredup. This is a fun box and we're gonna unbox this together. I started doing mostly unboxing videos because they're so much fun, let's face it. And if you want to see more of those, I made a playlist of unboxings and I'm gonna put this at the end of this video for your extended viewing pleasure. Like I said, today we're gonna open this fun box. It's been a little bit more expensive than usual, but maybe the quality of the pieces are a little bit better. I don't know, we're gonna see together. Right now, let's open this. So the Thredup price for this box was $34 plus shipping and handling. I will put this quickly on the screen for you to see. And it's a 10-item box. Let's see what's inside. Oh, you see this? Wow. Garmin. This is probably a smartwatch. Look at this. With touch screen. Oh wow. Forerunner 610. Haha. Yep, apparently there are a little bit more quality pieces. Really excited. I hope this works. I have a gym bag. It says Gym and Juice. And it's a denim bag. I hope it's in good condition and I don't see any flaws on the exterior, but it's a little bit cheaply made. We gotta trim all this on the interior around the zipper, but other than that I don't see any stains or anything. This should resell really fast. I see some fake fur and this is a stole. It's a really pretty gray blue color, more gray than blue. Oh, this is so much fun. Yep, I wasn't mistaken. They have a little bit more consistent pieces. I don't know if this is a new thing with a more expensive fun box. It was $22 before, plus shipping and handling of course. But this is really fun, you guys. It just says 100% polyester, made in China, of course. And it has some hooks here at the collar. This is fun. It looks like it's brand new. Next up is a Kate Spade iPhone 11 Pro defensive hard shell case. This is outdated. 11 Pro iPhone. It's pretty though. It's pretty. And it's brand new. I can't complain about that. So let's see. I'm mostly reselling these things. So for a few dollars, I guess somebody's gonna want it. Pretty nice bag. It's handmade in China and it says La Regale. It has a beaded bow, snaps shot with a magnetic snap, and the shoulder strap is not adjustable, and it's a soft shell satin bag. But it's pretty cute. And it's in great condition. It only has a little bit of pulling here, but that's not a major flaw. This is also sellable. Very pretty. You can't go wrong with black. We have a piece of jewelry by Marlene Schiff. I never heard of Marlene Schiff. It's a pendant necklace. It's brand new with tag, which is good. It's very classic with one little rhinestone here. Yeah, it doesn't give me a gold and diamonds vibe, but it's pretty. Oh, okay. Pair of panties. Inamorata. Brand new with tag and stretchy. Ooh, sunnies. Sunglasses. It says Crush. you are beautifully made. It's a little bit dusty and I think slightly scratched. Yeah, I don't know if these are in sellable condition. I think I might redonate these. Here. Not really. Not really. It's nothing of importance that I should spend my time listing. Okay. I'm not pregnant. This is a pumping, hands-free pumping bra. Multitask while you pump. Alright, I guess this is sellable, but this is too funny. Size extra small to large, so it fits pretty much everybody. Designed to work with the Motif Luna Duo Twist or more. I've never heard of these. The brand is Motif Medical hands-free pumping bra. I guess this is gonna sell because there are a lot of pregnant women out there looking for something like this. Never heard of it, but I'm gonna list this for sure. Why would Thredup send these things? I don't get it. Okay. And the last piece in the box is a vegan leather hand purse in very good condition, but it's missing. I guess it had some kind of chain in the interior. I see the hooks there, but I don't see a chain. Anyways, very cute, very 60s, 70s with leather tassels. This leather? Yeah, this is suede leather tassels. And this is for sure vegan leather. But it's pretty. I mean, yeah. Alright, we'll sell this for a few bucks. And this is it from this box. This was not bad, you guys. I wasn't expecting a pumping bra, but hey, you know, it's sellable. Would I buy this again? Yeah, I'm having fun. So do we have 10 pieces? 10. So indeed we have 10 pieces. This was fun. If you're interested in any of these pieces, please send me an email here or visit my closet at Alina Leonardo. I'll try to post everything right now. Thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!